Students, we are on type 6, topic is decimal, and we are going to solve the questions based on fractions, smallest fraction, largest fraction, and so on. And there are so many methods which we can solve these questions, but I am going to teach you easier, simpler way. So let us start solving the questions now. Question number 1, this is type 6 of decimal. So we need to find which fraction is the smallest fraction. There are different ways to solve the question. One way is you convert this 2 by 3, become 0.6, this become 0.75, this become decimal 8. We don't know whether this is small, it takes time. Here this looks to be smaller one, but it takes time. Convert into decimal. Second method is take LCM of this 3, 4, 5, 6, 504. Then put values and see. There are other ways. When difference between numerator and denominator is the same, here difference is how much? 1. Here difference is 1. Here difference is 1. Here difference is 1. When difference is the same, then largest numerator is the largest value, smallest numerator is 2. That means this is the smallest value and this is the answer. To make you understand more, so I've given one example. Difference here is 2, 2, 2. And we are looking for smallest. Which is smaller one here as a numerator? 9. So this means this is the smallest fraction. This is smallest fraction. 17 is the largest numerator. That means this is the largest fraction. When difference is same. So like this, you will be able to build up your confidence and fundamentals. Now we are moving to the next question. Students, we have discussed in question number 1 where the difference between numerator and denominator is the same. Here difference is 2. Here difference is 2. Here we will make 2 because this multiply 3 by 2 becomes 6. Multiply 4 by 8 become 2. Here also the difference is 2. And here also difference is 2, 5 and 7. We need the smallest one, which has the smallest value. 5, 6, 11 or 9. 5 is the smallest numerator. That means this is the smallest fraction among all these 4. So now we are moving to the next question. Very interesting topic. Here he says, now difference is not the same. Here difference is different. Here difference between numerator is different. So how we can handle this question? It looks that this is 16. 13 by 16. I will make this as 14 by 16. I have multiplied 2 by this, 2 by this. Now base is the same. We are looking for larger. So larger is this one. Between these two. This we don't need. Now this is 31 by 40. This is 80. I will multiply both by 2. This becomes 62 upon 80. And here it is 63 by 80. That means this is not required. This is required. Now we have these two fractions. You can take LCM or you can make the base 80. When this is 80, you need to multiply this by 5. This will become 70 and this is 63. That means which is the largest fraction? This is the largest. You're clear? This method you can use. Again repeating, make the same base, then you will become this is larger than this is larger than this. Then compare this by taking LCM and you find that this is largest. But how you can solve in 2 seconds? Difference here is 1. Here difference is more. Where the difference is less, that means that is the largest fraction. This is true up to 95%, 97%, 98%, not always. But here the difference is only 1, so this is the answer. So if you don't have the time, you can mark this as this, and then you will be able to save time and most of the chances that your answer is correct. Now we are moving to next. This is the smallest fraction we need. Difference is here. This I can put as 14 upon 16 and this is 13 upon 16, this fraction. We are looking for smaller one. 13 is smaller, so this is there. Between these two, this is smaller one. Clear? Now here, 4 difference. We need smaller. 15 is smaller. This is not required. So we are left with these. Now you can cross multiply, this is 240. You cross multiply, this is 247. We are looking for smaller one. So that means this is the smaller one. Already I told you when difference is large, answer is normally small. So that means 15 by 19 is the smallest fraction among these four. So like this, you'll be able to solve these type of statements. Question, I'm repeating, this is 13 by 16, this is, I made it 14 by 16. We're looking for smaller. Between this and this is a smaller one, this we don't need. And then we have these two values, 4 difference, which is smaller one, 15 by 90. Because 15 is numerator smaller than 17. Then you can cross multiply and solve, you find 240, multiply this, 247, this is the smallest fraction. Now we are moving towards these questions are 3 questions, which is your homework for your practice. Thank you so much, students. Enjoy the topic, enjoy the type. Let's move further now.